If you just got the RevAir, this is the video for you to show you how to put everything in working order to get your hair from shrunken to stretched without any heat damage. This is the RevAir base. It has the on-off switch in the back, and in the front it has the switch for the tension settings once you start turning it on. Inside of it is the liner. In this liner has two portions. This is like the filter, and this is the actual liner. Let's say it all came apart, right? This is the liner. It goes in flush to this little notch here at the bottom. For it to close, it goes right here, boom, flush. Then this liner has a notch there as well. It goes straight in this way, and there's a notch right here that it's supposed to stay flush with. After you do that, you have this tubing here. This is pretty much like the vacuum portion of it. It has this paste right here, which goes onto the panel here to close up the liner, and it has this next section here with the little shape that goes for the wand here to go into. The next step would be to literally just put this part on, the holes on. You're going to, there's a lip here at the bottom. Okay, good. Put the lip snug in, press it against it, and then turn this notch clockwise. Then it's completely in and safe, and it won't come apart. It also won't start if that's not on properly. Once you have that, you're gonna get to the end of the other end of the hose right here, and it's gonna have a shape here. You just match the shape onto the other shape. Once you do that, you're gonna hit it again clockwise. Yes. Boom, here, twist it, don't pull that, just nice and tight, and then it's gonna be nice and flush to this. Then you would plug this in, obviously, and you would start getting to rev. But we have a couple settings here on it, which I'm sure you're aware of, but just so I make sure you have everything. 0 is no heat, 1 is low heat, 2 is high heat. Low heat is about 150 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. High heat is 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is no heat. I usually do the 2 setting. My RevAir settings to stretch my hair would be the high heat on 7, because I like to have max stretch, because right now I'm fighting against gravity with this length, girl. I don't like shrinkage as much, and I'm mostly doing like braids and twists, so I need my hair stretched, which I'm hoping that that's what you want too. But either way, it goes from 1 to 7, 1 being the lowest stretch, 7 being the highest stretch. To begin, I would recommend going on 4 just to see how you feel, and then you can go up or down based on what your needs are. If you're trying to go for afro, maybe I would do 4 or 3 or 2 so that you can keep your hair shrunken, but also dry it, and it dries the hair even to the scalp, so you're gonna be great. But as far as turning it off, I say this is at 7, you're gonna turn it all the way down till it's no sound, like the sound is going away to like 0, and then wait for the sound to turn off all the way. Once the sound is off, then you can go ahead and turn it off in the back and turn off the device. But that's just like what I've been doing to keep it up for the last 2 years, and I hope that you enjoy her. Okay, she's gonna make you the baddie you deserve to be. Okay, period, period, period.